What if you could build a super brain in just minutes a day? Science shows you can work out your brain just like you work out your body. Training your brain for peak performance gives you an edge in every area of life: career, sports, relationships. When Sens.ai's team set out to bring gamma neurofeedback to the home, they never imagined that 3 years of research and development and 7 patents later, they would be bringing so many other firsts to market, including proprietary technologies that boost, train, and assess performance. Sens.ai is the first and only wearable to combine 3 powerful neurotechnologies: brain training, brain stimulation, and heart rate variability training into one personalized adaptive system. This means 20 minutes with Sens.ai provides more mind-body benefit than virtually any other activity you could do in that time. Sens.ai is for innovators, those pushing the boundaries of their potential in cognitive acuity, physical fitness, and meditation. Train mode goes beyond neurofeedback to incorporate heart coherence and adaptive light stimulation designed to accelerate your brain's learning curve. Boost mode is the only personalized brain stimulation system. You can boost at home, at work, or on your commute for an immediate brain energy activation. Sens.ai solved a big problem with traditional pro-grade neurofeedback systems, which require messy cables and gel applied to your scalp. Sens.ai's breakthrough, cushiony, no-fuss electrodes require zero gel, never tangle, and have unprecedented signal quality. This means it's the first wearable tech to be able to train a full spectrum of brainwaves, including theta and even gamma, the brainwave of the most advanced meditators. Sens.ai's full range of powerful programs go well beyond calm and focus, or even sleep management and brain defog, into creative insight, flow, and deep meditative states. These were designed to help you be at your best in each of your life's moments. Previously only available to those that could afford pricey clinics, now you can exercise your brain waves like you do your body and track meaningful brain biometrics on your schedule. In as little as 20 minutes a day, you can shine brighter for yourself, your family, your friends, and our world. Order now to awaken your genius. www.sens.ai